droops and swoops.
Yeah, all of those.
And drags.
It's like a variation.
That's right, check it.
Forwards. Step. Up. Hold up. Hold up. Up, up. So you just walk, you take out that step, rock, step, step, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
People remember that you don't have to go further. The walking itself kind of gives you a different connection. So
You walk straight, you kind of clothesline yourself, and then you like turn out of that. Try to keep it on balance so you don't just like drop there before 6. You want to land on 6.
and you turn kind of top first, bottom left.
Yes, yes. And then we dismount. Try to make it twistier. That's the challenge.
Leaders, remember, you can't, or you can, but we don't want you to. You're like, oh, you did a cool thing? Oh!
But I was playing.
Here we go again. We don't want to break the flow. Let's try and keep going if you can. And leaders, if you think about a swing out next, that might help you. So nice low connection. And then you try to swing out next. Not stiff, but a sturdy connection that follows. You can use a little bit. They might need some of that. Then we also talked about swoops. Leading the following style. I'll do it from here, from a circle. In this close position. Doing a rock steps. Woo, 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 woo. We said 100 times sliding doors. So it's not this, even though it kind of looks like it, it's this for leaders. And what's that? And I'm trying to face my partner. Not like this, but rather facing my partner. And I'm going opposite. We got better and better as we went. Followers trying to wait for the turnaround, which is a challenge. We just do at you at the end. The idea, like, say we have a normal swing up, you can do the same zoom in a swing up. Rock, step, zoom, woo, woo. You can keep going and do other stuff with it. We'll do more with that next week, but keep working, everybody.